they have the floor now. We just ask sa Bangsamoro government kasi yan nga ang hinanakit ng mga mayors doon at ni governor. Ano ba ang naibigay ninyo sa Sulu this last 5 years when the BARM government started receiving their block grant? Can you enumerate? Kasi sabi nga na wala, yung classroom, hiram-hiram, yung housing, poste lamang. Could you give also an answer to that? Kasi kawawa naman talaga sila kung wala silang natatanggap. O pati may unfilled items na teacher. So just to play fair so that you can also answer the message of the good governor earlier.
Mr. Senator, we don't have it right now, but we can provide this honorable body with the data and also copy furnish the province.
Siguro nandiyan naman yung mga tao ninyo. For the record, kasi dito nasa ano tayo na yun, nasa hearing, instead of copy furnishing us paper later on, so you can put it out in the hearing today. Ano ba ang nabigay natin? Meron naman siguro kayong numbers no binigay nyo sa Sulu the last 5 years from the block grant. Maybe you can give even rough estimates.
Yes, Mr. Senator, para hindi po ako maging inaccurate, I would ask for time so you can contact the Minister of Finance. But in the meantime, Mr. Chair and Mr. Senator, Minister Iqbal would also like to speak if that is
Yes,
reasonable.
Mr. Iqbal, you recognize.
Thank you very much. And of course, with the permission of the Chief Minister, very brief lang po. Kasi nabanggit po ng Honorable Governor ng Sulu, Honorable Governor sa Kortan, yung sa education po. I just cite 3 huge buildings po. Ang isa po yun sa Haji Buto School of Arts and Trade. Meron po kaming building doon na 40 million po, more or less. It cannot be exact because I don't have the data, the record right now. Sa Haji Buto School of Arts and Trade, which was established during the American regime, meron po kaming building doon na napakalaki po, about 40 million po ang halaga. At saka kasalukuyan po, meron po kaming cover call po na malaki rin po. Then sa Lapag po, sa Siasi po, meron po kami more or less 40 million din po, building po. Then pagkatlo po sa Division of Sulu, meron po kami more or less mga 40 million. At saka marami po kami several signature school buildings po throughout Sulu po. Marami po pong iba pero I don't have the exact record right now. I'm just citing yung 3 pong malalaking building po sa galing po sa Ministry of Basic Higher and Technical Education. Maraming salamat po.